The table shows the probabilities that a biased five-sided spinner with labels V, W, X, Y and Z will land on V, W, X and Y. Notice that we aren't given the probability of it landing on Z. AMI spins the biased spinner 400 times. For 3 marks, work out an estimate for the total number of times the spinner lands on either Y or Z. There are 2 methods. The first method, we start by finding the probability that we land on Z. We know that probabilities sum to 1, so we use this to get the probability of landing on Z is 0.34. We add on the 0.03 to get a 0.37 probability of landing on Y or Z. We multiply this by 400 to give us our estimate of 148. The second method involves instead estimating how many times it doesn't land on Y or Z and taking that away from the 400 spins. So we find the probability it lands on V, W or X by adding the first 3 numbers together to get 0.63. Then we find the number that we estimate by timesing by 400 to get 252 lands. We take this away from 400 to get the same 148 that we got from before. Notice within the mark scheme there is some room for error. Whenever I've put probability Z or the quotation marks, that means there's follow through. If you got the first mark incorrect but do the same method, you can still pick up marks.